Okay, good afternoon, everybody. All the
Good afternoon,
honorable,
sir.
all the honorable teachers from Bangladesh, Rumana ma'am and Rita Sarkar ma'am. We shall start our fifth session in this India Bangladesh Teachers Telecollaboration. We are three project partners. I myself from India, Suresh Surwade, from Bangladesh, Honorable Rumana Firdos madam, and Honorable Rita Sarkar ma'am. We are all joining this online session fifth. In this session, we have my students Prathamesh Patil, Dhruva Patil, Sumanta Surwade, Subodh Surwade, and Dheeraj Bhalera. The today's session name is Good Health and Well-being.
Well-being.
Good health and well-being. This is the name of our session. We are going to discuss over. Actually, the first PPT shows that three symbols. The first symbol is India Bangladesh Telecollaboration. The second symbol is Sustainable Development Goals Eco Training Center. And the name of our session is Good Health and Well-being. In this session, we are going to talk about free time and our culture. Free time and our culture means, as a teacher, how do I spend my free time when someone will ask me, how do you spend your free time? I say, I'm spending my free time by reading books as well as counseling the students. My free time is reading books and counseling students. Means I am counseling the students vocationally and educationally. If the student is unable to take decision how to take admission for further education, or if a student is confused to choose the faculty after 11 or 12 science, or after 10th, I will test the student psychologically, interpret his or her testing, and tell him about his educational and career guidance. So this is my free time I use. I like to read various books, but but I like reading autobiography. I like reading biographies. Nowadays, I am reading some religious book. As a Buddhist, I follow Buddhism, so I read lots of religious material or literature of Buddhism. I like such type of books because I think the books are our real teachers, because everything in books. It opens in front of you and tells you, guides you as a teacher or as a guide. So in Marathi, we say Grantha Het's Guru, means books are the real teachers. When I am free, I travel and listening music is my leisure time. In my leisure time, means I listen to the music of the greatest singer in India. Mostly, I like to listen classical music. Most of the time, I travel. I like to travel the historical places. I like to travel the natural place of beauty. I like to travel to visit the forts and caves. So, during my free time, I learned a lot about my country, about the history of our country, means the glorious bygone age of India, because there are most of the historical sites which are famous all over the country. In Maharashtra, Madam,
Sir, again, please.
yes, tell us about how do you spend your free time by
Free
listening
time.
yes, by listening classical music and by cooking. You have already told us, but please
Yeah.
explain. Please explain.
Cooking. My spend time cooking because I interested cook varieties cook. Uh, just for example, varieties cook chotpoti. Um, chotpoti. Uh, Mango juicy. স্যার কাঁচা বাংলায় বলছি কাঁচা আমের জুস অর্থাৎ নতুন কিছু দেখলে সেটা আমার আগ্রহ আছে মানে আমি করে ফেলি এবং এটা অবশ্যই আমার ফ্রি টাইম ফ্রি টাইম স্পেন্ড বাট I try to free time I spent my family member, my husband, my daughter, or my father in my husband, my father-in-law. I lost, but my husband, brother, sister, and others family member. I spent it. I spent it. My sister, my brother and sister, daughter, talk to video call, mobile phone, etc. And sometime I would watch the TV. Basically, TV, Geography Channel, BBC News, and watch cartoon. I like cartoon.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
I sometimes spend my own year my time. I make over the eye, uh, uh, mm, eye makeup, eyeshadow, face makeup. My hobby, and I spend this time. কি যে বলি ম্যাম
ঠিক আছে তো
স্যার আপনি
It's okay,
বলছেন
madam.
traveling. I spend
Traveling.
traveling. কি বলবো সেটাতে? Museum. Bangladesh Varieties Museum, but I saw the whole museum. I saw the Samwan Museum, Barendra Bhumi Museum, Tasat Museum, Rajbari Museum, and Paharpur Buddha Vihar Museum. I like it. Murti, পোড়া মাটির মূর্তি. I like the জমিদার জমিদার's history and his family background. I like it.
Which is the favorite museum for you? You have ever visited?
Favorite museum, Barendra Bhumi. I visit the Barendra Bhumi. This Barendra Bhumi, Bangladesh, Rajshahi Bibhag. Sir,
Okay. Rita ma'am,
Yes, sir.
will you tell something again, because when you were talking the video was not recorded, so try to tell within 5 to 10 minutes what you have told.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. At first, I visit my free time. Sorry, I spend my free time. So I spend my free time listening to music and reading books. Reading books because the books are real research and many learning of us and watching TV. So I spend time with my family, talking to them, with my family and talking to them and having fun. So having fun. And I spend my leisure time at cooking and so I spend my free time listening to music, reading books. Reading books because a lot can be learned by reading books, and the books are real research. And I spend my time, my family, talking to them and having fun. I also my leisure time, spend my leisure time cooking, and I also like to hang out.
Okay ma'am, so we shall start.
I think yes, sir.
So we shall start our second part of this session.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we have now 40 minutes, about 40 minutes, and we are three partners going to discuss over the topic. Actually, this topic is good health and well-being.
Yes, sir.
We the three teachers from India and Bangladesh already discussed over our good time, free time, and well health. I think
Yes, sir.
we the teacher of India and Bangladesh are spending our leisure time to read books, to travel, listen to music, because
Yes, sir.
we have good health. We would like to enjoy, to travel, to visit historical sites, to see museums, as well as we spend our leisure time to read various types of books to get lot of knowledge. Sometimes we would like to visit such types of historical places and the place of natural beauty, because we would like to enjoyment, recreation, and entertainment.
Yes, sir.
But I think in our country, means we are three teachers and we are living in the developing countries such as India and Bangladesh. Such developing countries, most of the people do not have good health and well-being. That's why Sustainable Development Goals, goal number 3 is ensure healthy life and promote well-being for all of and for all at
Ages.
ages. Means in this Sustainable Development Target number 3, goal number 3, there are 13 targets and 28 indicators to measure progress towards targets. The name of this goal is ensure healthy life and promote well-being for all at all ages. In simple words, we can say that every person on the earth has right to eat and right to live
Yes, sir.
freely and healthy life. That's why United Nations established the Sustainable Development Goals. In this third Sustainable Development Goal, there are 13 targets and 28 indicators. 13 targets and 28 indicators in third Sustainable Development Goal, that is ensure healthy life and promote well-being for all and all ages. Among these 13 targets, the first 9 targets are outcome targets. Those are reduction of mortality, maternal mortality, reduction of maternal mortality. The second is ending all preventable deaths under 5 years of age. The third is fight communicable diseases. Next one is ensure reduction of mortality and for non-communicable diseases and promote mental health. Prevent and treat substance abuses, reduce road injuries and accidents, grant universal access to sexual and reproductive care, family planning and education, achieve universal death coverage and reduce illness and death from hazardous chemical and pollution. So these are the 9 outcome targets. These are the 9 outcome targets to achieve the third sustainable goal, that is ensure healthy life and promote well-being for all at all ages. The remaining 3 are established by the UN in Sustainable Development Goal 3. WHO means World Health Organization Framework Convention on Tobacco Control to improve early warning system for global health risks. Health work free in developing countries and increase health financing means through this goal in the developing countries, reduction of maternal mortality is very essential, because most of the deaths are maternal mortality. So try to end this type of maternal mortality as well as ending preventable deaths under age of 5. These are the most of the things that sometimes natural deaths are possible, but sometimes there are injuries and road accident, means while traveling most of the people have been dead because of injury in accident. So we have to stop, and if there is no such reason, then we will find out some government scheme. So for that, the Indian government try something to help to complete the sustainable goal. Third, significant strides have been made in increasing life expectancy and reducing some of the common causes for child and maternal mortality. Under 5, mortality rate reduced by 47% from 78 deaths as per 1000 live births to 41 deaths per 1000 live births. Still, the number of children dying under the age 5 is very high, means 5.6 million in 2016. So ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. By 2030, reduce the global maternal mortality ratio and preventable death of newborn and children under age 5 of age. Neonatal mortality rate as 1000 as per 12 per 1000 to 25 per 1000 live birth. By 2030, end the epidemic of AIDS, tuberculosis means TB, malaria, neglected tropical diseases, and combat hepatitis, waterborne diseases, and other communicable diseases. Therefore, there are some local, national, and international organizations which are working to improve good health and well-being in my country. especially in India, there are some NGOs, local NGOs, national NGOs are working for to achieve the sustainable target 3. But the government of India has also implemented some schemes. For example, Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Yojana.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Prathamesh.
Yes, sir.
We will have to see these schemes through YouTube. Are you ready to share the YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, madam, I am going to tell you about such type of schemes the government started or implemented. The name of these schemes are Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Yojana, Mahatma Phule Arogya Yojana, then Abghat Bima Yojana, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, and Ayushman Bharat Yojana. So these are some of the schemes implemented by the government to achieve the sustainable goal. ma'am. This is one of the scheme that the government has implemented. In this scheme, the patient can get up to 2 lakh rupees for his any type of disease. If you want to know more about this Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Yojana scheme, he will go to the Maha E-Seva Kendra, means the center which is established by the government. Then Sangram means Sanganakiya Gramin Maharashtra, and in the post office means nearby post office, means going there, the person who is the victim of the disease will get money from the government, which he will, if he will or she will not able to pay back, the state government of the center government already paid the EMI of that disease. So this is the first scheme. The name of this scheme is Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Yojana, which was implemented by the government. The second is Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Ayushman Bharat Yojana. In this scheme also, the government of India implemented to achieve the good health and well-being for the people of our country. The next one is Bima Abghat Yojana and Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana. Also Mahatma Gandhi Yojana has implemented for the well-being and good health of the Indian people. I think you understood. So I have tried to tell you in this session that the government of India has implemented such schemes like Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Yojana, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, Abghat Bima Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Yojana, and Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Arogya Yojana. These all the schemes are implemented for the Indian people, especially who will unable to pay the hospital charges. So for these people and their well-being and good health, the government has implemented these schemes throughout the country. I think you better understand about how Indian government implemented such schemes to achieve the target of sustainable goal development goal 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell about your government and the schemes.
Okay, sir. Sir, the aim of the Sustainable Goal Development Goal 3 is to ensure healthy lives and promoted well-being for all at all ages. Ensure healthy lives and promoting well-being for all at all ages in important to building process societies, because healthy people are the foundation for healthy economic. I believe it. Healthy people are the foundation for healthy
Yes.
economics. So and electoral mandate of the government is to ensure health and nutrition for all. Ensure health and nutrition for all. The government is working steadily and continuously for the achievement of SDG goal 3. So many community clinics has been established across the country to ensure access to health care. Lots of community clinics, sir, and free health care and free medicine are provided to the community clinics. Its community clinics free health care and free medicine are provided all of people, many people, all of most not so much people. Major progress has been made is several essays including insight and mental health, as well as is addressing HIV/AIDS. The Prime Minister, the most honorable Prime Minister, Sheikh Hasina, was given the award of vaccine hero by UN. Our Prime Minister, Bangladesh Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister has Sheikh Hasina was given the award of vaccine hero by the UN, United Nations. Sir.
Okay.
I understand. You understand that I can say. Sure, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that I can say.
Yes.
Our Prime Minister, Sheikh Hasina, was given the award of vaccine hero by the United Nations.
So it is okay. It is really proud.
Yes, sir. So the government has also taken initiatives to achieve health coverage. Free treatment is being provided to the elder ages 65 and children below 1 year old. Strong indicatives have also been taken to strengthen to prevention of substance abuse, including narcotic drug absent harmful use to alcohol. New hospitals and healthcare service have been established across the countries. New medical college and university have also opened across the countries. Medicine medicine amounting to 98% of the demands of the country are being produced locally. Bangladeshi medicine are also being exported to 145 countries. Bangladeshi medicine, sir, are also being exported to 145 countries. And sir, its pandemic situation in respect of COVID-19 to keep the curved low during the. I was in the discussion discuss COVID-19. I was start from there. In respect of COVID-19 to keep the curve low during the ongoing pandemic, the government is taking all necessary measures accordingly. The government has closed all educational institutions, office, shops, markets, courts, etc. So public gatherings and public events are also provided. Public transports, airways are closed. Movement is restricted. People are only allowed to go outside for necessity. The government is continuously raising awareness about coronavirus, its effects, situation, and the current state in the country. The government is continuously raising awareness of the importance of social distancing, and further to make this effect has engaged law enforcement authorities, armed forces, etc. Masks, sanitaries, তারপরে হচ্ছে soaps, food, etc. are also being distribution across the countries, and free health checkup and free medicine and COVID-19 test free দিচ্ছে. Its pandemic situation is overcome. Will overcome, and government and the local people. And that's all, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So, Rita Sarkar ma'am already discussed over the SDG 3, ensure health lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Now, I would like
Yes,
to
sir.
request Rumana Firdaus ma'am to discuss over Goal 3, Sustainable Development Goal 3, ensure health lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Honorable Rumana ma'am.
রীতা ম্যাম, তাকে আমি একটা বাংলায় বলি
Yes.
টাইপ মিনিং গুড হেলথ, অর্থাৎ মানে মেইনটেনিং গুড হেলথ মানে কিভাবে আমরা ভালো স্বাস্থ্য পেতে পারি। ম্যাম,
হ্যাঁ,
মানে সাস্টেইনেবল গোলটির ক্ষেত্রে আমরা মেইনটেনিং আসতে পারি, একটু ডিসকাস করে আমি মেইনটেনিং হেলথটা বলতে পারি।
হ্যাঁ, 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 বলতে
যেমন
পারেন।
টাইপস ফর মেইনটেনিং গুড হেলথ, মানে গুড হেলথটা কিভাবে আমরা মেইনটেইন করতে পারি।
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা, হ্যালো সুরেশ স্যার।
Yes ma'am.
Type of maintaining good health below, because my country good health maintaining the good health, everyone knows that eating a balanced diet, exercising and getting plenty or rest are key or maintaining good health. However, that can seem to be an impossible task while in college. Frequently, the appeal of sweets, fast food, caffeine, alcohol outweigh healthy options. When you are in the company of friends of under stress from course coursework or had under stress from coursework, here are some types of staying healthy in spirit of your lifestyle. Nutrition. Eat a variety of nutrition rich food. Your body actually needs more than 40 different uh, uh, nutrients for good health, and there is not one single source for them. Our daily food selection should include a balance or good carbs, protein, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Example, cake out food of guide from the USDA and etc. Eat রিতা ম্যাম, আমি কি সঠিক দিকে যাচ্ছি?
Yes, ma'am.
Eat moderator position. If you keep protein size moderated and responsible, it is easiest to eat what you want and maintain a healthy, balanced diet. What's a moderated protein? A medium size piece of fruits of one serving, a cup of pasta equates a serving, and a pinch of rice cream contains 4 servings. Food are not good or bad. It's all about protein control. Drink water, stay away from cooks and other soda, which can pack as much as 17 transport or sugar per 200 drinks. Sugar is a source of empty calories that can use up important vitamins and minerals in your body. Water helps not only to hydrate it, but to aid and blood circulation. The removal of toxin for our bodies and the regulation of our body temperature. Fitness and stress management. Be achieve, use the stress insight to the evaluator. Get at least 30 minutes of activity every day. If the idea of sweating at the gym for hours of it doesn't sound appealing to you, then at the outset of game of unlimited uh, price base, freeze base, or try going to walk or run. The important trying to is the that you get moving. Because relaxing, good health, well-being, relaxing, keep yourself organized by organized to eliminate unnecessary to preventable stress. Turn off TV and listen to music just 15 minutes or relaxing and reflection. Get plenty of sleep along at last 30 minutes of quiet relaxing activity before bed at night, breathing. Uh, Sleep is not waste for time. It's as important as necessary as nutrition and exercise. Uh, Social health, get involved and meet people in a positive equipment. Often the adjustment to college can be difficult, especially when students are leaving the support system they have no for a lifetime. Whatever it's participating on a sports them on the road student government, joining a religious organization, uh, volunteering at the soup kitchen, or helping in the some other front. Helping other helps us. You must important thing to remember is to find out something out are interested in and enjoy yourself. Sir,
Okay.
sure, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Sir, over now.
Okay, ma'am. So in this way, today we have been discussing on the Sustainable Development Goal number 3. The name of this goal is ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. We are now winding up the session. At the end, I just say few words. Promote mental health, promote mental health and well-being by 2030, strengthen the prevention like harmful use of alcohol, the number
Yes,
of
sir.
number of global death due to road traffic injuries and accidents by 2020, so ensure universal access to family planning, sustainably increase health financing and the recruitment development, training of health workforce. Due to this, we will have able to stop the death rate and to provide well-being for all at all ages. Strengthen the capacity of risk, reducing of management of national and global health risks so that we have been discussed and our discussion will be fruitful for this topic. Though we are directly not support to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal 3, but through this tele-collaboration, we the people of both countries, India and Bangladesh, we come to know how to ensure healthy life and promote well-being for all at all ages. As a teacher, myself, Rumana ma'am and Rita ma'am, we have to take initiative to tell our students about how to ensure healthy and well-being life to all at all ages through this discussion. So I think our discussion will be fruitful in future. I think we better
Yes, sir.
understand. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now shall we stop here?
Sir, our presentation would have been better if we are have presentation, but we cannot
Sir,
give presentation because we don't have laptop. So, sir.
So, madam, this is not important. With the help of
your
all these instruments, tools, and equipments, we continue our session. But it is important that with hurdles, obstacles, lots of problems, we are able to continue our session. It is more
Yes,
important
sir.
because
Yes, sir.
whenever facing all types of obstacles, errors, we passionately taking our session and try to complete this project. That's why we are able to collaborate because
Okay, sir.
we have already learned that the 21st century skill 4 C's are critical thinking, creativity, communication,
Yes,
and
sir.
collaboration. And what is
Yes,
collaboration?
sir.
Collaboration means to achieve the goal with the help of others. Okay.
Others.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you.